everyone! Today we're going to make pear juice with milk. The combination of sweet and refreshing pears with creamy milk creates a delicious and nutritious drink. Let's get started. Tools you'll need: blender, knife, cutting board, serving glass, peeler. Optional if you prefer to remove the pear's skin. Ingredients needed: 2 ripe pears. Choose sweet varieties like Bartlett or Anjou. 200 milliliters of milk. You can use UHT milk, almond milk, or low-fat milk based on your preference. 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar. Optional. Steps: wash and prepare the pears. Wash the pears thoroughly to remove any dirt. If you prefer smoother juice, peel the skin using a peeler. Cut the pears into small pieces and remove the seeds and core. Set up the blender. Place the pear pieces into the blender. Ripe pears will provide natural sweetness to your juice. Add milk. Pour 200 milliliters of milk into the blender. The milk adds a creamy texture and a smooth taste to the juice. Add sweetener. Optional. If the pears aren't sweet enough, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar. If the pears are naturally sweet, you can skip this step. Add ice cubes. Add some ice cubes to make the juice cold and refreshing. Blend the ingredients. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds, depending on the blender. Add lime or lemon juice. Optional. Stir well. Pour the juice into a serving glass. Add more ice cubes if you like, and garnish with a slice of pear or a sprig of mint for a beautiful presentation. Closing. And there you have it. Your pear juice with milk is ready. It's creamy, sweet, and super refreshing. Perfect for any time of the day, whether it's breakfast, an afternoon treat, or a sweet way to end your day. Try it at home and share your results. See you in the next recipe.